Hey there, fellow nature lovers. Today, we're taking a trip to the stunning Hamilton Botanical Garden. Located in the heart of the city, this lush oasis is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature. Spanning over 15 acres, the garden is home to a diverse array of plant species, including rare and endangered varieties. The garden is divided into several themed areas, each showcasing a unique aspect of the plant world. The Japanese garden, for instance, features a tranquil pond, a traditional tea house, and a variety of Japanese maples. The rose garden, on the other hand, is a fragrant paradise filled with over 2,500 roses. The garden also boasts a stunning waterfall, a butterfly house, and a children's garden, making it a perfect destination for families. So, pack a sunscreen, grab your hat, and let's head to the Hamilton Botanical Garden for a day of relaxation and exploration. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing travel destinations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next adventure.